Hey guys, it's Yani here.
And Fabio.
And we're back with another video. Book. Today's video, one of our viewers requested that I should teach Fabio how to sing Filipino songs.
Wait, one of them? Out of 60,000, you picked that one.
Yes, just
Who's
one.
that damas?
Because when he commented, I thought it was a very funny concept and I would love to teach him a very popular, beautiful Filipino song.
Whoever you are, I hate you, okay?
And the song is Paa Tuhod. Honestly, this is a kids nursery rhyme or kids nursery songs.
Okay.
One of the songs. Since I'm gonna
It's morning too. I cannot sing in the morning.
But maybe this is gonna be a new segment in our channel. So since it's gonna be,
It's not. It's not.
Since it is the first song ever that Fabio's gonna learn in Filipino Tagalog, he is gonna start with a very simple song. So this is a very simple song. I'm not sure how to do this. Maybe I'll just give him the lyrics and.
But I don't have
read
to sing
it
down
first.
like this.
How about we
Can I stand up?
Let's sit down first. Okay.
Oh, this is better.
So I'm gonna give him the lyrics and he's gonna just read it first.
We'll just read it without knowing?
You know the tune, right?
And of course I don't.
It's a very popular tune. It's like dun, 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 dun. Do you know that song?
Bitch, am I from Philippines?
No, but I think it's all over the world.
No.
Kids song.
No.
Okay, just sing it with me. The tune. Dun, 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 dun.
Are you on key?
Dun,
What key is that?
Key of F.
Broken key?
Come on.
Okay. Dun 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 dun
Dun, 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 dun.
Do I have to crack my voice as well as you did?
I didn't crack my voice. You cracked.
You did. You did crack your voice.
Okay.
Okay. But I'll make it up. I'll make it up.
No, you
It's
can't
too
make
long.
it up.
It's too long.
It's not long. Those are the two. Those are the two stanzas. That's
So
it.
dun 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 dun.
Almost.
I will never remember. I can barely remember your name.
Okay. Anyway, here's the lyrics. I'm gonna give Fabio the lyrics now and see if he can read it.
Do I have to read the top line
just
too?
this one. So it's a very short song. It just keeps on repeating and repeating.
Oh, how many times do I have to repeat it?
Well, how about you learn it first? We'll
Okay.
figure out later how many repeats. Don't sing it yet. Just
Okay,
read it.
so I just read it.
Yeah.
Paa Tuhod
What?
Balikat Ulo. Paa Tuhod Balikat Ulo. Paa Tuhod What are they learning from this? Balikat Ulo. Pamadyak tayo at magpalakap.
Don't hurt yourself. It's a simple syllable.
Aspetta.
Aspect.
Magpalakpakan.
Yes.
Magpalakpakan. Magpalak.
Okay, read it again. Oh my god, I love this new segment. Comment down below what other song you want us to learn.
Okay, I think I got it. Paa Tuhod Balikat Ulo. Paa Tuhod Balikat Ulo. Paa Tuhod Balikat Ulo. Pumdayak tayo at magpalakpatan.
Yes, that was pretty much
Was it good?
Yeah. Well, you're saying the words very, very slang, very, very foreigner.
Oh right, Tagalog this
Tagalog,
one, right?
so-
It's Tagalog.
It's not like
It is like that.
It's not.
I have a lot of Filipino friends. I know how they
It's
speak.
not like that. I'm gonna teach him the pronunciation of each word,
Yes,
the proper pronunciation.
Wow, it's not that serious pronunciation.
Paa.
Okay, paa.
Why are you twitching?
I'm twitching because I'm
Why are you-
stressed out.
Why are you twitching over here? Paa.
Paa.
Tuhod.
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 Tuhod. Paa. Tuhod.
Balikat ulo.
Balikat ulo.
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 Okay, so that's
Like kulo.
Just
but
ulo. Pumadyak.
Pumajak.
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 Tayo
Tayo.
at
At
magpalakpakan.
magpalakpakan.
Yes.
Magpalakpakan.
So now, since this is a kids song, there's an action song, obviously. So
No. And now choreography
it's choreography. Yes.
for kids.
5,
I'm
6,
twitching.
7, 8. Pump,
twitching.
pump, pump. Paa means in Tagalog feet.
Okay.
Tuhod means knee.
Okay.
Balikat means shoulder.
Okay.
Ulo means head. So did you figure out the action now, the choreography?
No, I probably have to touch those parts.
Yes! Okay, let me go. Let's stand up and show them.
Oh, do I have to stand up?
Do you memorize it now?
No.
You have to memorize it.
Backward.
Okay, how do you do it? Go. Sing it. Go.
Paa Tuhod Balik. What was the other one? Hips? Oh, shoulders. Paa Tuhod Balikat Ulo. Balikat Ulo. Balikat Ulo.
Fabio is changing the game. Fabio is changing the Filipino culture. I love this new choreography. Okay, go. I want to learn this. I don't know this.
So it's Paa Tuhod Balikat Ulo. Paa Tuhod Balikat Ulo. Paa Tuhod Balikat Ulo. And then the other one you did.
Pumajak tayo. Pumajak is like stomp.
Oh.
No, let me see your choreography first.
This is the first one.
Pumajak tayo.
Tayo, what is it?
Let's all. Let's all
Pumadya tayo all.
at magpalakpak. Clap. Applause.
That long word for clap.
Yes.
Okay. Pumadya tayo.
At magpalakpakan.
At maka.
I love this.
I cannot
Okay,
say the last
we're
one.
gonna go from the top because this is a new choreography. You guys, this is a tutorial as well on how to
So
dance
it's to the
Paa
left
Tuhod.
first. To the left, around, and clap, clap.
Okay.
Send us a video about this. If you learn the choreography, then
Send us the video and we will do a compilation of all your choreography that Fabio made for Paa Tuhod. Go.
That would be so
Yeah, okay, go.
Okay.
And we're gonna react to your video as well.
5, 6, 7. Well, can you sing with me? Because I don't remember the last word.
No, you have to sing it
Okay.
too because this is your challenge.
5, 6, 7. Paa Tuhod Balikat Ulo. Paa Tuhod Balikat Ulo. Paa Tuhod Balikat Ulo. Pumadya tayo
magpalakpakan. Magpalak.
I cannot read that far.
It's fine.
Magpalakpakan.
Yes.
Magpalakpakan.
Okay, from the top. This is a
I'll
hard
be faster this
choreography.
time. And 5, 6, 7. Paa Tuhod Balikat Ulo. Paa Tuhod Balikat Ulo. Paa Tuhod Balikat Ulo. Pumadya tayo
Palakpakan. From the top.
No,
Again.
it's enough. I'm sweating.
But-
my underwear is falling.
You went too fast. Let's just go normal pace.
Okay.
Because these are kids, remember? For kids songs.
Well, that's their problem. This
Okay.
is my choreography.
Okay, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8.
Paa Tuhod Balikat Ulo. Paa Tuhod Balikat Ulo. Paa Tuhod Balikat Ulo. Pumadya tayo at
Palakpakan.
I want to see my face in this video. Oh my god, so focused in these lyrics.
So I'm gonna teach you now the real, original way to dance this song.
I'm sure mine is better.
Yes. Ready? Paa Tuhod Balikat Ulo. Paa Tuhod Balikat Ulo. Paa Tuhod Balikat Ulo.
Is this yoga? It's a sun salutation. Okay. And then?
Well, obviously, we like Fabio's version better. Don't forget to send us your version and we'll react to it. So, for the last time, to end this video, let's dance it again all together. Get up on your seats and let's dance it together!
You're not at a concert, Yani. It's
know.
YouTube.
I know, right?
This is YouTube. Get real. 5, 6, 7. But
Oh, your version.
oh, my version. I thought we were doing this.
Okay. Take 2. Fabio, hit it!
5, 6, 7, 8. Paa Tuhod Balikat Ulo. Paa Tuhod Balikat Ulo. Paa Tuhod Balikat Ulo. Pumadya tayo mapalakpakan.
Yeah!
Almost, I got almost the last one.
Palak.
I clap. See,
You
it's
guys.
it's kind of good. It's like an tribal dance.
It's tribal dance. You guys, thank you for watching. I definitely enjoyed this video. I didn't know that Fabio was this stupid and he was this creative as well.
I created a better choreography than...
He's a very creative person. So, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to send us your version and we'll react to it and we'll compile a video so that you'll be on our channel too. So, spontaneous. We didn't plan this. Anyway, thank you for watching and we'll see you all next time.
Bye, love you guys.